sa bed. Si Daddy. Golfing. Ano na guys, late na. 8:02 na. Mamaya na ako mag-walking. Magkadaw muna kaming dalawa. Yung boys tulog pa kasi din. So, hindi pa siya may iwan. Sarado pa yung blinds dito. Ba't dito? Binuksan na ni Jan. At doon. Bukas na yan. Oops, ayan. What do you want for breakfast?
Wheat Bix.
Wheat Bix. Okay. Now or later?
Later.
Okay. Sarap matulog dito. Si Jan nagising mga 7, past 7 na. Gabi late na gigising dito si Jan sa holiday namin. Hi, Peppa.
Hi.
How's your sleep?
Good.
Good.
Good morning, Sak.
Good morning.
Lumipat siya dito sa bed after kong ma-fix. Okay, si Holly, nandun siya sa bathroom, nag-aayos ng kanyang buhok. So, late na tayo makakapaglakad. 9 na guys, 9:04. Si Kuya, nasa ano pa? Nasa swag niya pa. Hindi pa lumalabas doon. I-empty ko tong bag kasi dadalhin natin ulit to. So, ito pala yung nabili ko kahapon. Peeler. Nabanggit ko sa inyo na gusto kong bumili ng peeler. Ayan, bumili tayo ng aalis na pala yung kapitbahay namin dito. Dito sa kabila, sa malapit sa sink. Nagpapak na sila. So, bumili ako ng tomato paste. Ayan. Kasi akala ko magluluto ako kahapon ng giniling na baka na may patatas. So, eto. Bumili akong patatas and more carrots. Ayan. Yan lang naman nabili natin kahapon. So, ngayon, hintayin ko pa sila mamaya pagdating ko. Anong talaga yung dinner? Lagay ko dito sa ilalim na lang. What do you want for breakfast, ha?
Nothing po.
Ha?
Nothing.
Nothing? Okay. Ay! Naano ko yung yung peeler, yung mismong blade. Bakit naman kasi dito ko pinuksan? Baka makikita nyo. Lagyan natin ito kasi hugasan. Sak, you have job for me here. This one, recycle bin and waste, okay? Ayan. So, hindi ko pa nakain yung atis ko. Hinog na siya. Ano pa? Si Holly. Gusto niya ng Wheat Bix ata. Pantayin ko na lang siya. Inom na tayo nitong Sak, oh, come on. Have this. Inumin ko na ito bago tayo mag-walking. Meron nito doon sa shop. $5 ata. Ganito kalaki. $5. Tapos meron din silang carrots, celery. Doon sa shop na binilahan ko ng, ano ba yung binili natin doon? Yung pinakauna, na bumili rin ako ng carrots ata doon. Ay, yung chili doon sa shop. Madami silang mga organic na mga like spices. And gusto ko sana bumili nung isang araw ng turmeric. Sabi ko, later na lang kasi madami-dami pa naman. Organic siyang turmeric powder. Tapos kahapon pagpunta ko, wala na, sold na. So hopefully may makita ko kasi pag meron, kuha na tayo. Kasi marami silang mga organic doon. Collagen, ganun. Pag dire-diretso mo siya, hindi mo siya malalasahan. Pag ganito na, doon mo lang siya malalasahan yung turmeric at saka ginger. So, when you open this one, can
I
you...
didn't open it.
Who did?
TJ.
My God.
Did TJ go golfing?
No, he didn't. Si Kuya hindi sumama sa golf.
Like Dad and Lord.
I don't know. He's just Ben and Daddy. Mamaya or bukas maglaba ako kasi puno na naman yung aming hamper. Ang tagal ni Holy Girl. I-prepare na nan. Alam mo, napaka-useful nito. Kasi halos araw-araw meron tayong nabibili at ito yung bag natin. O diba? Baliktad pa yung aking belt bag. Ayan. Na-fold na nila yung kanilang caravan. Finally, nandito na ang Holy Girl. Okay.
It's hard to see in the mirror.
Oh.
Because where is that?
Do you want me to fix it?
Let me see. At the back.
Yes. What do you want, Baba? Just the back. What do you want?
Let me see.
Wheat Bakes, Cocoa Pops, or what you call it? Yung isa yung may raisins.
So,
Which one? There's only 3. Come on here so I can walk.
Wait, fix.
I knew it. They're gonna have that one. How many? One only? So,
But I like pizza.
yes. But you can still have this one. I have your lasagna there. And I have 2 chicken there. It's very spicy. And then drink this one today because this is expired today. But still okay. But you have to consume that one now.
Making me fall.
Nilalagyan to ng sugar eh, kasi matabang ito. No swimming, okay? Just here.
Yeah.
Ride your scooter and always look the car.
Yeah, but it's too big for me.
It's nice.
I can't do it.
May mga friends siya dito eh, kaso umaalis na yung iba. Si Kuya, ayan, kinakain niya na yung leftover ni Holly na
Little bit.
lasagna.
Wait, TJ, only a
Di
little
pa tayo
bit.
nakakaalis kasi si Sak. Nasa toilet. Gusto ko muna mag-wiwi bago ako umalis. What's wrong with the TV now? Did you have a shower?
Yes.
Already?
You
Okay.
said have a shower, so I did.
Yeah, but I thought you're gonna go swim first. Kami na nagsisialisan. Yung kaharap namin.
It looks hot, warm, but
No, it's not warm, Baba. It's cold today. Ayan, alis na rin yung katabi ni Willow. I love you. Si Sak. Naligo na pala si Sak. And si Kuya, kumakain na siya ng pizza. At saka yung lasagna ni Holly. Okay. Tell the boys to clean up here, okay? Ang dami nagsisialis. Back to work na talaga ang mga parents. Ayan, alis na rin yan.
Dad said when I get back it's gonna be empty again.
What Daddy said?
When
Where's my
Dad gets back here,
from work from
From
golf.
he said it was gonna be empty.
Malamig yung hangin, mas malamig
I
today.
got goosebumps.
Yeah, can you wear jumper for now, Baba? Then if later get hotter, you can take it off, but for now it's a bit cold. Medyo malakas yung hangin ngayon. I-charge ko kayo kasi nakalimutan ko kayong i-charge kagabi. So hindi ko kayo dadalhin. See you later. What? Perfume? May papaya pa pala ako dito. Hopefully mamaya makain natin yan. Tapos ko lang maghugas. And si Kuya nandito na. Kuha ng pizza. Dry ko na
It's
rin.
too cold.
I know. Can you put jacket? It's cold today. What do you think, Daddy and Ben? Playing golf in this windy.
I don't have any jumpers.
What do you mean you don't have any jumpers? I full jumpers. Where? Who's that yellow one? Where's your other one? Where's your gray? Oh, new caravan.
Huh?
We have new caravan. Hello, Zach. Put jumper now. Aren't you cold?
No.
Okay.
No.
Where are you going?
I don't know.
Did you have pizza, Zach?
No. One.
One.
When is Dad back in that?
I'm not sure. It's already one.
No, it's not.
Yeah, 150. Yes. Ganun lang sila. Kuha lang sila ng pagkain, tapos puntahan sila doon sa kabilang caravan. Pero minsan dito, ayun. Kumuha na yung jacket si Kuya. Nahanap niya din. Mag-scooter sila. Kaalis sila. Andun si Holly, oh. Tapos na ako dito maglinis. And eto na naman yung ating napamili after ng walking. Pumunta ako dun sa My Feb Home Kitchen. Basta yun. Isa lang naman yun na pinupuntahan ko na may mga gamit sa kitchen. So, bumili ako nito kasi nung isang araw, pumunta dito si Ben or si Willow. Nag-ask kung meron akong karayom. Sabi ko, wala. Then, pumasok ako doon, nakita ko to. Mura lang naman. Magkano to? $4.99. Isang ano na siya. Meron na siyang threads and yung kumpleto ba? Pag kailangan nating magtahi dito sa caravan life natin. Tanggalin ko na to. And ang cute niya kasi may lalagyan. Oh. Diba? So, next time, pag nagtanong ulit si Ben, meron na tayo. Sabi niya, bibili raw siya. So, hindi ko alam kung nakabili siya. Kung hindi, ipahiram natin to. And, eto pa, same shop na binilhan ko. Ito naman ay yung jar. Yan. Ito. Malaking jar kasi gagawa akong chia na may avocado. So, yan. Then, bumili na rin ako ng protein powder sa grocery. Yung maliit na grocery lang. Ito yung kanyang brand is Keep It Cleaner. Vanilla yung kinuha ko. So, imimix ko rin siya dito. Pag gumawa ko ng chia pudding. Not chia pudding. Well, anong tawag niyo doon? Chia na may avocado. Tapos, lagyan ko ditong powder protein. And may Greek yogurt din ako. And meron akong almond milk. Meron ako. Yes, meron. So, yan. So, mamaya, mag-overnight chia seed tayo. Para bukas, meron akong lunch or breakfast. So, yan lang, yan ulit ang nabudol sa atin ngayong lakad. Sabi ni Holly, Ma'am, every time you walk, you always buy something. Tama siya. Wala kasi pagkatapos ng walking ko, dadaan kasi talaga ako doon. So, lagi akong pumapasok and tingin-tingin. Wala lang, masaya lang na tingin-tingin ka. Yun nga lang, nakakabili tayo ng ano. Pero kailangan naman kasi natin. So far, sa ilang araw nating paglalakad, feeling ko talaga lagi akong may nabibili. Okay. Hugasan ko yung jar. Nandun yung mga bata. Tapos sila mag-jumping pillow. Hugasan ko to. Meron doon na isa na jar, yung parang manipis lang siya, pero ito yung pinili ko. Ay, meron pa. Tanggalin natin. 1 litro daw to, 1 liter ang capacity niya. Ay, di talaga ma-perfect ang pagtanggal ng sticker. Dito si Zach, kakain siya ng Activia. Yeah, wait. Nasaan ko lang, sir, yung table. Okay, sir. Not much kids now, sir. You want this one? Or the bigger? This one? What flavor? Strawberry?
It's the same flavor.
Oh, they're all the same?
Is that windy?
Yeah, I know. And cold. The wind is cold. At least it's not raining. I hope it's not gonna rain.
So what?
I know. Well, I mean, for the rest of our stay here. Because we got lots of rain back home. Maulan dun sa amin. Kasi kausap lagi ni Ben yung asawa niya. Kaya maulan daw dun. Ito na raw si daddy niya. Edit sana ako. Ayan na siya.
Babe,
Yes!
can I have 2 ham and cheese sandwiches, please?
2
With 2 cheese.
each.
2 on there, I'm thickening it up a bit, the cheese.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
2, I'm hungry, thanks, bye. I won.
You won? Ah. Ano raw siya today? Kasi nung isang araw, natalo siya ni Kuya. Tapos, nung isang araw, si Ben nakatalo. Ngayon, panalo siya. Kaya gawin natin siya ng sandwich. I-edit ako eh. Kala ko may kapitbahay tayo kasi may huminto sa sakyan. Magtatapon lang siya ng basura. Okay, cheers. Butter. Ham.
Did you get the mince out, babe?
Yeah, I have mince here.
Oh, you got it out already. So we need potatoes.
This one.
Is that going to be enough for all of us?
Yeah, because I'm gonna put the carrots and peas.
Nah, so we've got to get mince.
What?
Potatoes.
I got potato.
How many?
A lot.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah. So, ang dinner namin ay kung sa atin, ginisang giniling na may carrots and peas. So, eto, manipis na to. I just opened one. Is it finished? No. Sabi na meron pa ako eh. So, ito yung bagong bilili dyan. Isang, ano lang, yung maliit lang. Kasi yung binili ko yung double. Ito single lang eh. So, manipis na kasi ito ngayon. Tingnan nyo. So, dalawa. So, yan na yung sandwich ni Johnny Boy. Bye-bye! Tapos na siya kumain ng sandwich. Ayan, dessert na siya. Mint.
Thanks, Jack, alright?
Yung mint na slices.
They're not in the fridge.
You need to be in the fridge. Why? It's melting.
Oh.
It's good? I don't want it. I want it, but I don't want to eat it. I want to try, but I'm thinking about my walking. Dito na kami sa car kasi aalis na naman tayo. Yan kasing batang lalaki gusto magpabili ng boogie board, tapos si Kuya fishing rod. Kasi alam niyo naman si Kuya, di ba nahihilig siya mag-fishing. So mag-fishing daw sila ni Max.
With the under 14s.
When?
Wednesday at 4 o'clock.
Who?
We're training with the under 14s at Wednesday.
Here? Here, Zach?
Yeah.
Where?
Is their team good?
If it's good or not, it doesn't matter if you want to play footy. Do they have footy here, Sak? Huh? So they have footy here, huh?
Where?
Under
Max
14.
said we're
Yeah.
training Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Where?
Wala tayong lipstick. Wala tayong shades.
Where, Dad?
Where?
At that oval we went to.
Is it
Which
a
one?
footy team?
The one we drove into. Yeah.
Are they good?
Oh.
It doesn't matter if it's good or not if you wanna
I cannot ask
play
you, Dad.
footy. Ang bagong papasok na caravan. May umaalis, may pumapasok. Malaki rin yung marina nila dito. Pasok daw kami sa Marina Bay. Pasok daw muna kayo dito sa Marina Bay.
The brim looks so different up here.
Marina Boat and Taco. Kabuts tayo kasi malamig. Nandito si Ja. Dito sila pumasok. Oh. Tingin tayo ng fishing rod ni Kuya.
But these railway standards around here is not building. These little poles.
Which one do you like? Do you like any of them to color on?
Like a little bit longer.
Yeah, I reckon that one.
That made us a little bit stiffer though.
Yeah.
So a lot stiffer rod.
I reckon that one. Those you can use it. That one, and we'll just grab a bit of line
Yep.
to put on.
Wow, yeah. Titingin lang, ayan, nakabili na.
Somebody down at South Australia.
So, tapos na si Kuyang i-shopping. Si Sak na lang. So, we're just gonna look.
No.
Kasi yung planong bibilhan nila niyan, doon sa sentro. Doon nakita ni Kuya. Pero mas maganda raw to, sabi ni Jan.
Daddy.
Alright, yeah?
Yeah, braid's better than normal one.
Yeah.
Here, let me see.
Ayan, Jan.
Mine's open.
Jan dapat
Even
bibilan
the
si
other
Kuya.
surf one.
Well, it's closed.
Yeah.
It's a closed jack.
It's long
Have a look at
weekend. Sabi ko na sa sinabihan ko na sila long weekend eh. Then, dyan dapat si Kuya bibilhan ng fishing rod. Pero may nakuha na tayo. Yamba Bait and Taco.
You go, Mark.
Dito mas marami din Maraming pilian din dito. Pero tuminas kasi sila nung isang araw. So what you gonna get here?
Oh, yeah.
That one we have
Why not get it?
that at home.
What?
That box. That little one Kuya have.
Why is it wet?
Where's your rigs and that too? No, just something a little positive.
That one.
Get this question started.
Yeah, that thing you're holding.
No, you're
Ito yung mga fake na fake na bait. Yung mga plastic lang. Jake shad.
That's what I have at home.
No, bigger one, the one you have. A bit bigger.
You know, just something for now.
You don't like that
$9.
one.
That could just be like when I go somewhere.
So what, Mum? You know how light this is?
Yeah.
And then this one.
Yung mga pampabigat.
And feel this one.
This is heavier.
No, feel this one.
No, it's alright.
This one's the heaviest one.
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
It's not even heavy though. Oh, that's not heavy. Ring one, but-
That's it.
Good.
Sure.
Done.
You've made any
Anong bait?
More prawns.
Prawns? Social naman yan. Oh my god, that's for me.
You can't eat that.
Why not? Bait lang nila o pangpain. I can make what you call that? What are you looking at? What's that? Pwede ko yung pang almusal. What's that ba?
mullet fillets?
Mallet fillets. Social ng huli na isda. Meron ditong boogie board. Pero ayaw ni Sak.
They're too big. They're too big. This one. The same size. Not them.
That's small.
Or this one.
No?
No.
Kuha daw tayo ng soft plastic na yung yung pang bait.
You're not really going to get one to catch anything. Your easiest is flathead.
Yeah.
So they're the easiest fish to target. So
Yeah.
you're using something pre-rigged over here. So like you can get some prawns that are pre-rigged. You get some
yeah.
fish ones that are pre-rigged like that. Little jerkbait one.
I want.
Yeah, something like those. Work.
$17 yung isang ganyan. $17.95.
And then
Thank you.
No worries.
$3.55, thank you.
Dami pang nabili dito. Vlog natin si Kuya. What you
No.
got there?
we'll just
Move-
move over so I
move.
can put the stuff.
Yeah, move
No,
Holly.
just like get out the seat.
Oh yeah, yes, Holly. So Kuya can do quick haul ng mga nabili niya.
I do have to do the rod and that.
Hmm?
The rod.
Yeah.
I didn't do that. Okay, right.
Yeah.
I can do it.
Watch it.
Okay.
I got this. Put my stuff in.
What do you call that?
Tackle box.
Tackle box.
My line.
What color?
Yellow.
Yeah. Show it, Kuya, so they
What's
know.
it for? What's it for?
Line.
Line.
Scissors.
Yep.
I don't know.
To cut the fish open. I don't know.
To cut the fish off.
I don't know. Look how tiny they are. They're so tiny.
Hooks.
Hooks? How many hooks? Why they are all different?
2 long ones and then 2 small ones.
Okay.
And then all the made up ones.
We cannot see it here. Higher. Yeah. So how many? Is that are different sizes?
Same.
There were
Same.
4.
And then 3 bags of sinkers.
Sinkers. Okay. Is it small?
Yeah.
There.
Like show it, Baba, closer.
And then
That one has a written.
Mm-hmm.
we got the lubbers,
Let me see.
prawn, and the fish.
Yeah.
Fish and prawn.
Yeah.
And then the mullet fillets, and prawns.
Yes.
And then
What else?
I can grab.
Okay.
He got his fish.
I'll grab the first piece. So this is the top piece to it's a 2-piece one.
Yeah, for the fishing rod.
Yeah. And then that's the first bit. And then this is the bottom.
What do you call that, huh, Kuya?
Rod and reel.
Reel. Okay. Yan. Yung biringan. Biringan.
But the whole thing's called fishing rod.
Yeah, fishing rod.
That's where you put the string in.
That's the strongest one, right? Than the other one that you have at home?
Tell you which one.
The one at home's bit stronger.
Oh, it's stronger?
Yeah.
So,
The other one's got a bigger reel and
oh, okay.
That's a that. They said it was. A
no, my one at home.
The one at home. Yeah. Ah, nice.
Wait, I need to think.
What can you catch here, huh, Kuya?
Brim and
Did they-
flathead.
Flathead, do they have whiting?
Can you?
No?
Is it tuna?
No.
No.
Grabe, mababali yan sa...
I'm putting it all in here.
Okay. Yeah.
That's coming up. Want me to help you open?
No, just leave it. Just leave it.
Just leave it so Kuya knows where to put it.
Just put it all on the floor.
Yeah. Sisak nandito na. Okay, thank you Kuya for doing a haul.
Guys, yan.
Was it closed? I'm on now.
Let me see. Nakalimutan niya. Ooh.
Look at it, Dad.
Careful. Yeah.
Oh, she's a
Careful.
beauty.
We don't have a sharpener.
Yan. Kompleto. Nandito na lahat.
Max,
Ayan, buksan natin.
What are you getting?
That's good feel.
Ayan na. Oh.
Very tough.
I got some made at ones as well. I said widening. Oh, you have a widening rig, don't you? Yep. They're good. No, I'm not.
Welcome. Malamig sa labas, kaya andito siya. Dito natin ilagay yung ating mga pagbabalatan. Ay, hindi ko pa nalabas yung carrots and peas. Nasa labas. Nasa kabilang freezer. May dala kasi kami yung nilalagay namin na freezer sa car. Kasi double yun. Pwede siyang freezer, pwede siyang ref. Nabibimig nyo? Yan yung heater natin. Ano kaya unahin ko? Balatan ko muna yung para hindi maglasang yung patatas. Balatan ko muna yung patatas. Garbage day today. Ayan, kinukuha ni Kuya yung mga basura. Ayun. Malapit tayo dyan sa basurahan na yan. Buti na lang, hindi pumupunta dito yung langaw. Ayan si Kuya. Hapon na Kuya. Hapon niya pinick up yung mga Kasi sa amin umaga doon sa amin sa lugar. 3:52 na. Mamaya magluluto na. Ha? Where are you going?
pump track.
Scooter daw siya. Dry na to, so mamaya gagawin ko to. 5 o'clock na pala. I-prepare ko na yung lulutuin kong dinner. Si Kuya nakarating na galing sa kanyang fishing. Nakahuli raw siyang 2. Pero binalik nga. Patay ng bawang sibuyas. Uy, nakauna pala yung diesel heater namin. Ang lakas nito, ang galing niya maka-heat. Mabilis ba?
Yeah. With my guitar, a lesser town. I drew my heart a Atlanta wall. But I felt things were better now. I belong in your arms. Got a paper cuff.
Tell Tay Dad to climb up out there.
Gagamitin namin ngayon ay gas instead of electric. Para
Cook better. Got
Mas-
salt in there.
yeah.
I'm sorry,
Mas mabilis kasi yung gas. Ako na. Tapos sa labas ko lulutuin yung beef.
Full of wine, I played a Charles Bridge on the side, with your hand resting under mine. Hope I'm not so out of line. Your point of view, different taste, walking slow, bumpy pace. Cause you know we can fall in love. This moment's all it takes. Autumn leaves falling down, suddenly it's over now. But you know we'll fall in slowly. Take my breath away between the sheets. My body's weak when you're around, and I don't know how you do. Can you play the tunes we used to? Just stop the time and listen, babe. Live high, fly to the moon. Take a second, rewrite the stars. Be my sweetheart, you'll ever glow
Saute niya na raw to. Sabi ko, hindi pa ako tapos maghiwa ng sibuyas. Sabi niya, unahin niya na raw to.
We'll start browning it.
Yeah, okay. Is it hot now?
But we'll just have it on so I clean it.
Okay.
Gotta fall this way, mate.
Put it on your side yan.
It's gotta go underneath.
Babantay ng ating niluluto dun sa labas. Siya na daw dun. And ako, gusto kong gumawa ng sinapot kung sa Bicol. Di ba may banana ako dito? Hinugasan ko lang to. Kasi meron naman ako dyan na flour. Flour lang naman yun eh. Tapos may banana tayo. Tapos i-sprinkle natin na sugar. So para may dessert sila. Ito, huling mo. Hinog na siya. Ayan yung banana natin na sobrang hinog na. Lagay tayo na siguro mga 1 cup lang na flour. Tapos tubig. Water. So depende sa consistency. So siguro ganyan. Tapos salt. Medyo sticky. And may dala pala akong daon ng laurel. Buti na lang nilagay ko yan. So pakunti-kunti lang, depende sa lapot. Kayo na magtansya. Tapos i-roll natin siya sa sugar. So ayan na. Okay na siguro ito. Malambot na yung patatas. Pero bago ko to tanggalan ng tubig, ilagay ko na yung isa ko pa. So, never ko pa to nagamit. First time natin to gagamitin. Kita nyo? Wala pa yan na kabakas-bakas. Kuha tayo ng oil. Kuya, can I have the oil, please? Oil. Gusto ko sana gamitin ito para tipid sa oil. Kaso may laman siya. So, ito na lang. Try muna natin. Ano na siya tawag nun? Ang lambot na ng banana. Sana okay pa to. Yan natin siya ng butter. Lang kayo. Parang mainit na to. I-try muna natin yung isa. Hala, ano yun? Hindi pa pala. Joke lang. Hindi pa siya ganun kainit. Kaya na yun. Isa pa lang ang nilalagay ko. Ha?
It was not in there.
Oh. Is Max there?
What? I said, is anyone here? And then Mommy replied.
Ayan.
Here, go bike below and come over and... Is it hot under there?
Yeah, not really.
Max, go and get some... Cook that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, are you going to come over and eat there, or what do you want to do?
Yeah, we can just grab her here while it's here.
Yeah.
Grab
Ayan.
bowls, mate.
So, ayan yung luto ni Johnny Boy.
Here too.
And tastes
Oh, yeah,
good.
Why is it
And ayan yung mashed potato. Huh?
That's just flavour.
Adding the plate. Ayan. Uploading 55%.
Get
No?
spoons, Mom? Just spoons?
No, fork. Okay. Habang sila'y kumakain doon. Ituin natin ito. Ito, medyo matigas.
Where's sauce?
There.
Now I'm back clock, see the New York signs. Body numb, just passing time. But I keep my head up high. All my friends tell me I'll be fine. It's too late to stumble now. Tune into the little sounds. But you know, we'll fall in slowly. You take my breath away between the sheets. My body's weak when you're around and I don't know how you.
It's a bit hot.
Daddy cooked that one. Pero, sinasabayin ko siya pa nung next. Hopefully magustuhan nila. Ay, try natin. Wala pa tong asukal. Oh! Crispy. Very good. So, naglagay lang ako ng half a cup na flour, tapos tansyahin nyo na lang yung tubig. Ay, in fairness, kahit wala ng asukal kasi matamis na matamis yung ating banana. Magugustuhan to ni Jam.
Right.
Oh my god, babe, you will like it.
Just sit that up there and that's tea
It's
jars.
finished?
No, that's tea jars so he can get that and get his.
Just like this one.
What with?
Sugar. Kasi wala akong ice cream. Ang sarap niya. Mas prefer ko yung sobrang hinog kasi ang tamis niya na. So, ito na yung ating banana fritters. Nilagyan ko na siya ng asukal. And yung mga bata, si Max, lahat, except kay Holly, hindi niya pa natikman. Gustong-gusto nung tatlong lalaki, at saka si Jan. Ibigay na natin to habang mainit-init pa. Where's the kids?
Wait, Dad. Sit there.
Careful. Yeah. Where's Max and... Is Ben here? Where thing? Max, ready? Why? It's only 7 o'clock.
No, the old fellas are there.
The old one. Oh, sorry.
Old man might want some. Thank you.
Welcome.
Is he out there playing guitar?
Crunchy, no?
Ah. Mine's soft. See? Mine's softer.
Alright. Nice dessert, Maxie.
Nice cream. Mine's a bit harder.
Mine's
Yes, it's
soft.
hard. Ah.
Look, mine's real hard.
Look.
It's so hot. You got the last one that I cooked. What are you doing, Ham?
Trying to find a coin for
Coins for what?
the amount of money.
You're gonna play 8 ball again?
Because I'm better. Keep your mouth up.
Dami
I'll
kong
beat you
hugasan.
again, man.
You say keep your mouth up.
Alright, see ya.
Bye.
No worries. No worries.
Thanks, Mom.
Welcome. Magugas na ako. Ayan, ubos. Kulang pa nga eh. Hugas time. Ano yung aking hugasan. And yung table kasi kailangan ko ilagay dyan para makapagluto tayo. So, clean up time. Yan, yung oil. Talsik-talsik. Ito, itapon ko na. Kasi wala tayong paglalagyan nito. Kapag hugas na tayo, gawin ko to.
Can have a little bit of avocado.
Ang sarap ng avocado. Kung sa Bicol, masapugon.
Over now, but you know we'll fall in slowly. You take my breath away between the sheets. My body's weak when you're around and I don't know how you do. Can you play the tunes we used to? Just stop the time and listen, babe. Live high, fly to the moon. Take a second, rewrite the stars. Be signs. Body numb, just passing time. But I keep my head up high. All my friends tell me I'll be fine. It's too late to stumble now. Tune in.
Ayan na. Naglagay pala ako ng eto yung almond milk. Para mas ano siya, para maging creamy and madaling ma-blend. Hanggang dito lang yung powder, oh. Hindi siya ganun ka madaya. Ano lasa niya? May nakikita ang mga crystal. Ay! Masarap. Ay! Parang siya pag dinilaan mo, parang siya nagkukumpulan na maging cotton candy. Parang cotton candy na pag kinain mo yung cotton candy, ganun. May kita nyo yung crystal. Siguro yan yung sugar. Lagyan kong dalawa. Ay! Babe, it broke! Ay! Shit!
Because I think I do want you next to